Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Yashwant. In this video, let us understand how Apache Spark is on Databricks and how important features are helping Databricks run Apache Spark efficiently, right? Apache Spark, which is an open source data processing engine, is a cornerstone of Databricks platform, enabling fast and scalable analytics on the platform. Databricks, founded by the actual creators of Apache Spark, has deeply integrated Spark into its platform, making it one of the most optimized environment for running Spark itself. So there are some key features which are differentiating how Apache Spark works on Databricks, and those are following, right? So you can see this distributed data processing. So Spark's architecture is designed to process data in parallel across multiple nodes in a cluster. So on Databricks, this capability is enhanced by seamless integration with cloud-based clusters, which can be scaled up or down depending on the workload that you might have. So the other important feature is in-memory processing. So one of Spark's most significant advantages in its in-memory processing capability. So by keeping data in memory across the cluster, Spark significantly reduces the time required for iterative algorithms and complex computations itself. The next important feature is multi-language support. So as you might know, Databricks supports all programming languages that Spark does, including Scala, Python, SQL, R, and Java as well. I'm not 100% sure on the Java side because I've not developed any Java application on any notebooks before, but you might check the official documentation as well. Whereas the ultimate feature is batch and stream processing. So Apache Spark on Databricks supports both batch and stream processing, making it suitable for a variety of use cases. And batch processing is ideal for historical data analysis for a variety of use cases, and it can help you with the historical analysis and data transformations, while stream processing enables real-time analytics and processing of continuous data streams as the stream continues to grow. So the final key feature that I could think of is flexible data handling, right? So Databricks, powered by Spark, can handle structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So this flexibility is crucial in modern data ecosystems where data comes in various forms, such as it can be your CSV files, JSON objects, images, videos, and even complex nested data structures, right? So Databricks can efficiently handle all of the different data formats. Let's talk and understand more on the Databricks file systems, right? So what are this? So a key feature that enhances Spark's distributed processing capability on Databricks is the Databricks File System, which is short called as Databricks or DBFS. So the DBFS acts as an abstraction layer that simplifies file management across the distributed environment. So it lowers, it basically allows users to interact with cloud files as if they're stored on the local file system. So imagine when a file is created in Databricks cluster and stored in the DBFS, it's actually persisted underlying cloud storage associated with the cloud provider. So if you observe this carefully, for instance, here if you see here, a file is stored in DBFS on Azure Databricks. So I'm going to use Azure here. So if I store a file on my Azure DBFS path, so that file will be really stored in the Azure Data Lake, which is ADLS. So this entire design basically ensures that data remains durable and accessible even after Spark cluster is terminated. So here cluster is here, and I have the DBFS file here where I'm creating the file, and that file is exactly located on my cloud storage, which is Azure ADLS in my system. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you in this particular video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create different clusters in Databricks workspace. So if you're excited for that, do let me know in the comments. And this is all I wanted to cover in this particular video. If you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.